Learn a Hadith with Muskan and Sarah.
Assalamu alaikum, Sister Salma. Oh. Okay. You please take care. Inshallah, you can come back to work once you feel better. Please let me know if you need any help. Sister Salma is not keeping well. There is a lot of work pending to do. I will start with the dishes.
Assalamu alaikum Muskan and Sarah.
Walaikum assalam, Daddy.
What is all this mess?
We are playing, Daddy. We are having fun, Daddy.
Oh. Okay. Please clean up once you are done playing.
Muskan and Sarah, what is all this mess?
Mommy, we were just having fun.
I understand. But we should keep our home clean. Please clean up.
But Mommy, why should we clean up? Salma auntie will come and clean all this. It is her job to do.
Our mother Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, said, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, would mend his shoes, darn his clothes, and do housework like ordinary man. We have to learn from Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to be modest. And we follow the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Auntie Salma is there to help us. That does not mean that we make dirty and expect that she will clean up all the mess. And moreover, Auntie Salma is not keeping well. I have asked her to take rest. Now Muskan and Sarah, please help Mommy to clean up this mess.
Okay, Mommy. From now on we will follow the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and do the work ourselves. And also we will thank Auntie Salma for helping us.
Mashallah. Very good, Muskan and Sarah. Now we will clean up.
I will help you guys too.
Jazakallah, Daddy.
Barakallahu feek, Mommy.
We did it. Now the room is sparkly clean.
Mashallah. Very good teamwork.
Inshallah, we will go and have dinner now.
Yeah. Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.